In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your TradingView chart settings and colors to look better. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, having a visually appealing chart can make a big difference in your trading experience. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, if you haven't already, visit your live chart on TradingView. Navigating to the live chart is the starting point for all the adjustments we'll be making today. Once you're there, direct your attention to the setting button on your screen. This is typically symbolized by a gear icon that is easy to spot. Clicking on this button will take you to the settings page where all the magic happens. Once inside the settings, the first section we'll focus on is the symbol tab. This is where you can customize the appearance of different trading instruments on your chart. By clicking on symbol, you'll be able to modify elements such as candlestick colors, the precision of your display, and more, allowing for a chart that's attuned precisely to your preference. Next, move on to the status line section. Here you can adjust the vital information displayed at the top of your chart. This typically includes details like your current trade symbol description, open market status, and other headline information. Tweak these settings until they offer the clarity and summary view you need at a glance. Following that, delve into the scales and lines option. It's here you can refine the appearance of scales on your chart. Elements like the font size, the scale location, and even logarithmic or normal price scale adjustments can be made. These modifications ensure that every metric is perfectly visible or contrasted, enhancing the overall readability. Now, let's talk about the canvas settings. The canvas is essentially your entire chart's background. Modifying these settings allows you to tweak elements like the background color, grid appearance, and session breaks. Adjusting these factors can reduce distractions and help maintain focus during trading sessions. Next, we'll explore the trading section. This part of the settings enables you to detail the order fills and trade visualization, among other things. These visual elements help track trade interactions efficiently without covering up essential chart areas. Another vital aspect is alerts. Alerts are your automated wingmen in trading. By modifying your alert settings here, you ensure that you receive timely notifications whenever key trading signals occur. This feature ensures you never miss an important market movement. Finally, take a look at the events section. This part allows you to customize how financial news and related events are displayed on your chart. Having timely access to these updates can give you that competitive edge. Once you're satisfied with all the changes, hit the OK button to save your custom settings. By just following these straightforward steps, your TradingView charts should now look vibrant and tailored to your style, enhancing both your experience and ease of tracking trades. Happy trading!